Okay, we're going to do some common pinch pot techniques and mistakes. For pinch pot, roll a nice even ball, cup it in your hand, push your thumb into the middle, not all the way through, and start pressing against your palm. You can also press like this sometimes. The trick is to press it evenly every single time so that you get the same width of clay everywhere. I'm starting at the bottom of the pot, and then I'm moving my way up the sides. I've got a thick spot here, so I'm going to touch that up. And it's about a 1/4 inch thick everywhere when I'm done. This actually takes some practice, so I'm going to show you some of the common mistakes that people do when they are making a pinch pot. One common mistake people do is when they go to pinch it, they put it against the table and they pinch it this way, and they get this flat looking bottom, and it's actually really thick right here. You can't really tell on the video, but it's too heavy. Another common thing that they do is they don't put their thumb in far enough, and they go to pinch it, and it's got this like really thick bottom that is too heavy. Another thing people do is they pinch unevenly, so they'll pinch maybe really thin here, and then when they come over to the other side, it's thicker, and then the height is weird. So like this is pinched too thin, it's spread out really far. This is extremely thick right here. It doesn't do the same thing. The clay will take the form of whatever surface you press it into. So if your hand is cupped like this, your clay will be shaped like this. If your hand is cupped like that, that's the shape your clay is going to take. If you push it against the table, you'll have this kind of flat looking shape. Another common mistake is people will start with a ball that is not even. Right? You need it to be even to get started. And that's it.